Alright guys, we're gonna take a little walk. La 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 la. What? I'm recording. Oh guys.
Stay on the porch, not in my house.
Come on.
I don't want to be in your video. You can stay on the porch. I don't want you walking down the road because if you accidentally drop the phone, it's going to crack the screen more. Go.
No, I wasn't. Can I at least walk on the grass?
In the yard. Don't be walking through the trailer park talking to the phone. People don't think you're insane.
Okay.
If we didn't have neighbors, I wouldn't care. But when you get, just go. Bye.
Ow! Sorry. What? You shut the foot on my door. I mean, the door on my foot. Sorry if it's bright. Sun though. A skateboard. Fernie's box. And Mr. Totally well. Oh, we're gonna go for a little nature walk. We're going for a nature walk. Well, let me try to find service. Okay, guys. But, it's my friends. My friends. Let's check. Way over there. It's way over there. I don't know. Down there are my friends. The very bit of them that you just heard. But anyways, I'm gonna zoom. Come on and let's go. Okay. I've not found anything so far anyways. I don't think we're not gonna find any turtles if we don't, I'm gonna run. Not found much turtles. Not found many turtles in the day. We're always bright. It's a sunny day. Going around. And something mysterious happens. What is that? What is that? What is that? The frick? We can see it. I can just see it on the camera. What is that though? In the deep forest lies the rocking chair. Down in the deep, deep days of the American flag. We salute. To the Americans. Flags. Oh, what?